Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share something special for all Litmatch fans out there. Stick around, because I'm about to show you a mod that works perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, giving you unlimited diamonds. Yep, unlimited. Right here, you can see the mod menu is easy to open. Just tap the gear icon. Once it's open, you get access to the main feature, unlimited diamonds. Watch as the diamonds count climbs to the max without any hassle. But that's not all. This mod comes packed with other cool options to enhance your Litmatch experience and make everything way more fun. If you love what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest mods and tips. Now, to get this mod, just open any browser on your device, like Safari here, and head over to ogappbox.com. Once there, you can search or scroll down to find the Litmatch mod easily. Tap on it, and the installation process is really straightforward. There are helpful instructions on the site if you need a hand. Also, don't forget to check the comment section below. I've left detailed info about exactly where to find this Litmatch mod, just in case you want a quick guide. If you try this mod and it works for you, please drop a comment to share your experience. Thanks so much for watching, and remember to subscribe for more awesome content.